Hi, this video for Synology Nas Backup and Restore. First of all, you have to download the client for Synology. So from the Synology website, download the package. So let's download it. This is the one Synology Active Backup. So select which version and which Linux or operating system you're using. So let's download it. Install here. Just agree the agreement. Next. Yeah, install security. And it's completed. So you can type your server IP, whatever what's your Synology NAS username password. This is IP for your Synology NAS storage IP. Make it connect and then process. Yeah, here you have to change server or PC, so you have to choose type your administrator password. So after that you can select physical server, make it OK. So it's right now it's connecting with Synology server, and then just confirm it is working or what. So it's working, it's connected. You can open the browser through restore portal. So just close this one and open just Synology backup, active backup. Or here physical server, you can check and add your server. This already is added automatically, so just schedule when you want, what time, and weekly or what. Just schedule the backup schedule. See here, schedule you can weekly or daily basis, so whatever. And here see how many image file you need, so put it I just put it 3 image file. So after that is overridden. You can put the admin or which user as admin user can assign. So make it OK, make it backup manually right now, or after that it can, as per your schedule, it will work. So go to physical server, just confirm the backup. So and before that you have to make ready one virtual Hyper-V or VMware. So just confirm that it's ready. So after that you have to connect the virtual server. So I have already one virtual server. So you have to connect the virtual server. Go to the virtual server options. See, this my backup is already completed. So go to virtual server and add hyper manager application, and see here you can add your server IP. It's coming online, so it's perfectly connected with your. Then go back and restore option, make it restore, or you can choose whatever, and Hyper-V. So I have the Hyper-V, that's why I'm choosing Hyper-V. Make it next, and full restore virtual server. Choose the IP, which is your Hyper-V, and choose the location, driver location. Make it next. After that, make it press next. Yes. Yeah, it's connecting. And the driver, this is for driver. So you can choose a different location. So before that, you have to ready the location and folder. So I have already is completed. And see here, this is my virtual server. You can make it on. So your virtual server is ready to use. Yeah, it's ready.
Now you can work with your virtual server and it's working perfectly. And thank you watching for my video. Thank you very much. Please share and like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.